Hello, this is Jay from Cucumber Shop. Today we're looking at the Diva cucumber. So this is a bit alpha variety. Kind of originates in the Middle East and definitely bitter free. And you can eat them as young as this up till when they get pretty big. See, there's one flowering. Very tasty variety. And this has been picked pretty often. But basically this is the general skin color right there. Definitely smooth, bitter free. I don't know if I can find any more. These have been picked pretty often and they're really good. And I don't know why they've been picked so often. So part of what I do, there's another one, female flower anyways. Part of what I do is I work with others in their garden and grow varieties that they like to eat. And then I have some varieties for seed. It kind of works out for everybody. Oh. There's those guys again. Let's see. I think that may be about it. Anyways, this is the Diva cucumber. Very delicious, grows very well, has very few problems, and very delicious. If you have any questions, just let me know. This is Jay from Cucumber Shop, and happy gardening.